Hello students, myself Dr. Kajal Rai and welcome to Prof Prime channel. Today we are going to learn how to make this type of list in HTML. Right, for this you have to use one special tag which is called OL tag. OL tag is for ordered list. You have to use this OL tag for making a list. And for each item you are putting into the list, you have to use LI tags. LI is for list item. For each list item, you have to use this li tags and then close this li tag after each item, right? And after all the things, all the items you have given, you have to use this closing ol tag, right? So you have already seen the output, but again I am showing it to you. This type of list it becomes. But sometimes we don't want to use this 1 2 3 4 5. We want to use A B C D E like that, or Roman numbers. Then what should we do? Then with OL, inside the OL tag, just write type equals to capital A, then close this double quotes. Save this. We have to first save this, then run this. I'm just refreshing this so that it can run easily. Now you can see A, B, C, D, E. It becomes 1 instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the similar way, you have to use a small a for small A, B, C, D, E. Just use it like that. Now it becomes small a, b, c, d, e. In the similar way, if you want to use Roman numbers, write small I and then refresh it, save it and refresh it. Small Roman numbers it becomes. What if you want to use capital Roman numbers? Use capital I and then you can make capital Roman numbers. So it is very simple. Also you can make the list very attractive by different types of lists. Suppose you have and on the web page and you want to use different types of numbering or something like that, you can easily use it. I'm using the same list because I want to save the time so that we can easily see the result in a short period of time. Already you have listened me carefully, so there is no need. And if I'm not using any list, then any type, then it becomes clearly 1 2 3 4 5, right? Now let's see the result of this in this way, right? 1 2 3 4 5 Roman numbers, small abcd, capital abcd. Okay, in this way you can make this. But what if we want the list which don't have any numbers or any sequence? Sometimes we need to make that type of things also. So what should we do? In that we use unordered list. This is ordered list, right? But for that we have to use unordered list. For that thing we will see in the next video. So I hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel, like my channel and share the video. Thank you so much for listening, guys.